Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I want to show you how you can use your iPhone to AirPlay or to screen share to your smart TV. The first thing that you have to do is you have to go into your phone here. So I have my iPhone right in front of me here, and I have playing on my iPhone the Apple TV app. And so if I were to go into, let's say, this first TV show that pops up here, and then you want to hit play or resume episode, there is this TV icon in the bottom here. You want to click on that TV icon. And that will bring up this little menu here that shows AirPlay or living room. So my TV is called living room, and now it's going to cast AirPlay right to my TV. As you can see, it is on there, and I can actually control what is ever on the TV right on my phone. And this is really the same thing if you're about to do this on your iPhone. If you're going to use something like Netflix, Hulu, Apple TV, has just AirPlay, or if you have Prime Video, it uses the same exact thing. But let's say if you're on Netflix, right? And on Netflix, you have movies that you want to watch, but let's go and put an example for this movie here. If you hit play and you want to cast your screen, there is a screencast button on the top left here. You click on that and find your TV that you want to connect to. And now you can control what is being shown, what is being watched right on your phone to the TV here. If you click on here in the bottom of your phone, you can actually pause the video, play the video, increase volume, or you can actually set the duration of the video and edit that too, which is pretty cool. Thanks for watching. I hope you guys learned a lot from this video. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please leave them down below in the comment box. If you love this video and want to share it to your friends and family, hit that share button, hit that like button, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so you're not missing out on any new videos here on this channel. But until next time, I will see you all in the next video. Peace.